Hello everybody. Welcome everybody. Thanks for coming out and braving the cold here tonight. My name is Jason, I'm with 306, and I want to thank these guys that are behind me now for coming, making the long journey here from Saskatoon, Saskatchewan. Since we have 3 Apperleys in our band, we decided we'd bring another Apperley along from this band. And this is Soundproof from Saskatoon.
That's right, we made the drive down number 11 today. Chilly out there, so thanks for coming. We'll try to warm you up, all right? Let's have some fun.
Said you love me, that's fine. Said love that, you got tried. Well, things can't stay away. There's all that I can't away. Say my me, not home. Say my me, move away. All time we go close. Since more. I see all the things going down. Won't have that without you around. All alone you will lose it, babe. There's all thing I can't do. Stay by me, not at home. Stay by me, no way. Must stay. Why this must be? It's your line spoke to me. Stand by me, not at all. Like a job, it don't pay. I need you both, some mistake. Through. You don't understand my point of view. That's all thing I can do. Stand by me, not at home. Stand by me, no way. But today, why this must be? Thank you. All right. Now we're getting warmed up. Starting to feel it. Going to a Beatles tune, Day Trip. Right on, thank you very much. As per Saskatchewan winters, a little dry.